Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me CUBOT P50, and now I'm gonna show you how to install and how to set up free VPN on your device. Firstly, open your web browser and open 2ip.io website to check how websites see your location without VPN. So open 2ip.io. As you can see, I'm in Poland, but now open Play Store and find here Turbo VPN. Find the app with your rabbit on the icon and click install. Okay, now click open, agree. Click on the cross on the left top corner. Now just click on the caret on the center of your screen, wait a while, and open 2ip.io to check how websites see your location with VPN. As you can see, we have another IP now, and we are in Georgia now. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.